Pleasure to be here, and thanks for joining a great event. Thanks for my team at booth A92, which helped me to be here and to talk to you. So today we're going to talk about the data. This is quite an interesting and challenging topic. A lot of things happening in this area, and I would love to share the stories, what we hear, what we did for our clients, and let's get started. A few words about me. I'm Ilya. I'm 10 plus years in IT, and I mostly worked only for retail and logistics. Together with e-commerce, now I'm leading our European retail practice, and happy to be here. As for the DataArt, we build custom software. We are more than 20 years in market, and we are proud of our retail clients which we serve. So, currently, there are so many interesting things happening in the e-commerce area, like trends in market when you have so big hype, so much attention to the marketplace's growth, to the huge growth it's in itself from the e-commerce perspective, thanks to the COVID. And there are many other things like gamification, sustainability, and all these type of things evolve very well. There are also business trends like omni-channel, which is still quite important thing. Dynamic price optimization, when you can adjust it, or bringing more tangible results, personalization to your clients, building customer data platforms so that you can really bring the value to the end user of your services and goods. There are also tech trends like metaverse, AR, VR, voice search and ordering, direct-to-consumer type of things, and many other things. However, on the other side, when we talk with our clients and business about data management or digitalization projects, the situation is a bit different. We are still in the case when you should first solve the question with the data platform, data management type of things, and then think a bit further what you can do based on it. So let me share some stories about the companies which follow this path. So first is about data, and you need to manage it properly. And the story of this company, they produce one of the biggest alcohol manufacturers in the world. They wanted to acquire all the data, build a data platform, and on top of it, introduce SNOP type of things. So forecast, demand, predict sales, these type of things. The technology part of the journey was not that complicated. However, the most critical parts were with the data processes inside the company. You should be aware and not forget that data governance can become the crucial thing. And at the end of when we completed this project, the situation got worse, and let's say that platform was not able to fulfill all the demand and what they want to achieve with it. However, if we assume that, okay, we have a data platform, we know what we have, and we get the value, the next thing which everybody is thinking about is forecasting. So can I predict sales? Can I be sure how many new orders I will get in a month or something like that? Uber is doing sales forecasting based on the number of orders for the geolocations. And the question there is more for the speed of this forecasting. This company wanted to predict their online orders for the e-commerce part and improve their supply chain. Because when you have better understanding how much items will you sell, you can better predict how many trucks you need, what delivery, you can serve your clients better, you even way better with the sustainability topic. If you have this demand forecasting, the next thing is quite interesting, and another challenging is how to make this auto-ordering. So how to utilize this type of thing in the business area, in the business domain, so that you get value on the business level, because forecasting AI ML projects are very sometimes scientific, so they're very niche, they are very small, and you need to think how to scale them. MLOps type of things, continuous CI/CD things could help you here. The next step of evolution of the demand of the stakeholders in business, okay, we can predict our products, we know how many things we could sell, but can we predict the newer products launch? Can we think about something new trends, and what can we get any insights out of there? Yes, you can. The project is still a bit challenging, but still you need to acquire the data which you have, let's say your information about your orders, based on which you can do some kind of the forecasting, get the keywords which are mostly interesting for you. The second thing is to get the value after the whole noise of social media data, marketplaces, etc. And this company, one of the well-known producer of the food producer, they wanted to understand if they are missing something with the artificial meat type of things, artificial milk, and all these trends. When we did the project for them, they realized that they missed a year. But the good thing during these type of projects is that they figured out that there is a new trend which is currently evolving, and this might be interesting for them. From this, let's say, this is the data type of things for the business, for the stakeholders, for the companies, when they have information, when they serve better their clients, when they understand the demand, they can predict some sales, they even can forecast a bit future trends and products. But how about the clients? How about us, who are also would like to have more personalization and better recommendations of what to buy and what to do? So here comes the topic of the loyalty app. When we all faced the case with the zero-party data, loyalty app became one of the only source of the information about your clients. It is not only the competition for the space in your client's iPhone for this app, but it is also the competition among other loyalty apps to serve something different, to provide better ideas, better products. And current trend with the loyalty app is to provide subscriptions, introduce in-house currencies, NFTs, cryptocurrencies, whatever, like to bring something additional specific which you won't get in any other app, and you need to pay for it. It is also one of the way how to monetize things. The story of this company, they're a big FMCG company, and they don't have direct to consumer selling. They sell through the network of their resellers, and with the help of this loyalty app, they want to understand, okay, where our products are used? Can we understand better what our clients needs, and if we can communicate with them better? A loyalty app can give you this chance, communication channel, some overview of the product usage. It is also part of the educational thing when you, let's say, bring the knowledge of how to use the product. With scanning some tags, QR codes, you can add more possibilities to better use the service or the features of your product. Finally, it is a recommendation engine. We all share the data. We know our clients a bit more, and here comes the thing when you recommend, for example, that if you, from the grocery perspective, if you if you, let's say, put in your basket some shopping cart, some mozzarella and tomatoes, to recommend to add other ingredients and to cook pizza, or based on the products which you bought last week or last month, to recommend some new dishes and some new products. With like a moving to the online, for example, from the grocery perspective, the question of introducing new products, getting on the new level. So trying to use recommendation engines, try to forecast these type of things, can bring new clients and new buyers of particular product. Another thing is together with AR/VR technology, when we for example, going out Friday evening and we need a new look. So AR/VR can recommend based on your needs like a new look, and the online retailer will deliver it the next day to you. This technology is quite used nowadays and getting more and more popularity. Finally, what I would like to add about the data and all the challenges, what you should overcome before having all these glorious type of things and serving your clients better, is you should understand which data you have. It is not only about collecting all the stuff and thinking that you have a good and valuable source of ideas or decisions. So you should carefully with the data processes manage your data. The next thing is quite interesting for me, but still it is not, clouds are not well used, so there is a big possibility, the big area for the business to utilize clouds and better use their data storages and better, easier reach it. Cost effectiveness. Clouds can be as an opportunity and value, also as a drain in the budget. So be careful and manage data properly. Finally, you better have a great in-house team of analytics to serve and provide you great results. And last but not least is the security. While commuting to the event, I read an article that there was a research about 28 out of 30 or 40 mental health apps are selling our data, which is, I would say, a bit improper, and securing, making sure that your clients are safe and their personalization is truly their personalization, not that you sold already, matters a lot. That's all which I wanted to share. Thank you.